I want to sincerely thank the media personnel, the residents of the solar affected areas, and all the friends who have traveled from far and wide to attend this meeting on our invitations. Today, we have called this meeting because we have noticed a concerning trend. Individuals from outside our area who have no direct knowledge or connection to our land or the solar project are coming in and opposing the project. As per the direction given, officials from KAC, APDCL, and even international representatives have been visiting our area regularly for over a year, almost every 2 to 3 months, to conduct surveys and engage with the people. All 23 villages involved have raised no objection to the solar project. We, the villagers, see this as a real opportunity for development in our region. The project representatives have promised to support the local community in meaningful ways. They have committed to improving our livelihoods by supporting small businesses such as weaving, pig rearing, and silk farming, and by helping build schools, roads, water system, electricity connection, and more. They have agreed to our terms and are ready to work alongside for the growth of the affected areas. It is important to understand that 80% of the land in question is wasteland. Much of it is illegally occupied by encroachers. This project represents a light of hope for us, a chance to finally see progress and chance for our people. That's why we will not allow outsiders like Rajan Timung from IPP, Bikram Singh Hanse from APHLC, and others to destroy this hope. They are not from our villages, they are not our representatives, and they do not speak for us. Their claim that 20,000 people live in the area is completely false and driven by political agendas. We know our land, we know our villages, and we know what is best for our future. No outsider will come and dictate what should happen in our house. We live here, we decide what is right for us. Frankly, I find this opposition unnecessary and driven by motives that seems more about personal gain than genuine concern. I have to ask, are they opposing simply because they are not getting any financial benefit from it? Their opinion seems irrelevant and lack value, especially since they are neither from our area nor directly affected by the project. As of all you know, the KAC and we, the people who actually live in the areas impacted by the solar project, have no issue with its development. We understand the benefits and supports the initiatives. It is important to stand firm and not let outside voices who don't share our struggles or vision dictate what is best for our community. Clarification of misinformation. I also want to address some of the false claims being spread by outsiders regarding our areas. They are saying that there are 20,000 Nagas, Karbi, and Adivasi residents living here. That is simply not true. I invite anyone to come and see the reality for themselves. Our area does not have the kind of dense jungle.
Hegandi lana long limen tu tong vir det ki jor derani la sila haya long le ki jor tompian chelang sinon Rajen Timung punon Bikram Hanse punon apen alang le tuampan karju keng tung le lahlu kopi and tres lo dak nil tuma development long nang pau do inang lidak komat lo je nil tum la an arat pan pamang humprong ni nil tume ki chehok lo ke arju no la totar tom pini ki do tum an tadak arong agambura tum saidelo duplicate kali lai ke original bang po chipung pame agambura pen alang tum chichini lo so area ke eta na tum ko na pen sinang chini wong de lo hala erong dam hupo bang thom bania jang phong rum tok dam krong ko mania atikup tot dam prong la pensinal tum han Norwegian gedun hai Italian gedun ye son international long nang le tum la hai alam ke ni dam thap ke dak ar lu alam chini luma a hok et ke wang inoi dak nang tum la every footstep damoi arjunoi la non dak ke do kur lai pang thai lor apir thepen along leke lake Karbi along leke 70 to 80% da velu bang sop ke chijor tang cholang tang along le side lo don tum la sinang chingi du noi no nang le tum mat hadang bang ke Karbi anglong along le 18,000 bega konwang popu konwang gali lagi piniar ni la solar project jong sinang bi bedat pulodang te along le si bang asu sinang do wang podaki dak don suri la tum along le ke nama tum ta lapo chiring koi nam lo pote doning koi lo tum rong ji sike seng ji side de anta la bang ke dak wa ino nil yang paklangon po proof apen ke chijor ke chelang atom phanta ningji thap ke la tum nil tum chepa jogi po ba solar project pato nang po phan la nil tum lam nang ningji dun kali approve do nang paklang thima lahai moni tum ke chithrak non chilut chok ipia poloma hala documents nil tum phan la so project e wang lo pupen long le ke chijor documents an ke nang lang pi pon than tum phanta po documents ni long nang agreement documents abang ni long nang chithon lap ke abu yang somdu non nili pini dak amen pang dak pon polo dang te baria dusmon sita la tum long le chiro dang dal lage nili fere akam ta wi la sidona tum Karbi anglong arat nang cerap nang choto duing noi Karbi atum isi la ta mesen akimia kam lot je la sor project pen ile tum jong se chubi thexer polong te bang competition nang piji putang de lebo asap saveta long polata aku logote ile tum dak sakuri ta bang 1000 ba kamunet bang kela dak local tum hansi pon poputa nang ningi dak lo lasi to details bang ke non kening ye tum da do ulang sita nili tum phanta nang tar lip moto nili long li ke jor pu nili hadi border long adu nili phanta pache thang tapik nili election thuruta la le ko border so long li jor acha to komani nut jor lo la rat ke jor ma jorji sondak thaksi dipua sor ke hino pik mane amonit ke mane phanting on thop areng so dagma ekoli dipudam delu la soni kali botnamri hakhi nei non ili tumang bong kes cipi jeng yang nang le tum phan nil tum kes nang pipo non nang tum keni kan thap keni am pro pot il tumang bong arleng hian si cheng no pobo non la sulibom ili tum nil tum dak border Dimapur border judgment pet Karbi tum ke doing thak so loda lada kang thak so bostu ke la poen lo dipo long dampo sid haladak air office settlement office long dampo haladak achitha lang po oko la ke long le khali lang bangke pen ko mone wang po hadak ta jur jobostia pota chiguri po dakta long le chipo lapo bange don rap tum Karbi anglong arata tum honon ovi kimia tum phanang chordom nang chuning rilo son ke nang viri na nilge sia mamunit nilge ye mamunit nigamuk MP amunit nedolo tum wir det po nang tum ladak che bhongkang po chichok kang po kat ruk po nil tum bang dak ke halak tum han pulisuan pulisu mandet po nil tum ke chojor cholang hako pendala alang tum long duk dun det border asor ke thang awar sayawi pen ke kelang ta kai kita pangkriwi election hot ke mel meeting doji sida aphi bang chewang wang wewi lahe bang ta nil tum akhi sung do non pini ta nil tum dakna menti sorong nang pale rok jo langbung lang pret a photo paklang ne paklang la si dona tum so solar project aphan lok ke kadok avya Karbi arat phanta non ke thiki ding non IPP president secretary atum noi APSLC president secretary atum noi nangle tum ta proper inquiry pen official hai oppose kuri du nangji non nangle tum a responsible change ma non dadak bang arong kechi ke bi arong amuni nangni putenal tumpu la tum si non playing set pu wangoi to dak face to face il tum cepak lang dak nang ni tum danang dun po lab dong koi ra thoma gamura tum nang dun toy po nang la tum pilo nel tum phana proof nang piji nil tum pilo proof nang piji la sidona tum nili hin pen rat phanda chuni ri chordom lo la pen bangke nil tum a details non english pen ta dak nal tum phanang piji la bini karju long tum an phana chuni ri lo rat tum nang le tum la bangke bhul buji nang ne ulta nang ma thari nilitum la solar project ki bi main alam ke lake ilitum Karbi anglong a protection apan lo non jong silitum la bi thek ser lo polong te non ke jong se la bi thek thedet polde non menti sorong anang le lu na la hapara sorbang long li ke namatum engke penabdi ke bangke menti so parpo penabdi ke hidipi parpo non ta hapui hinat pen mangke na horjan hala so border pen hadi lai le rok lu la si la hai hui pen le ilitum che protect on de polo tangte avelu la bangke non ilitum chubi ko rat atum phan awar sayan ke dolang la si kardom lo nilihin pen jo nil dung ako kening ye tum da do ulang nilihin pen la pan sinal tum han message pipen kardom pa jir pen ton ko lo kardom